today's date, most of the poultry that is cut today is cut in the butcher shops and is done manually. So it's done in a very unhygienic environment. So we provide the process equipment so that all this can be automized to a certain level, as well it can be done hygienically. So you have the halal process, then you have the scalding process where the birds are put in hot water, they're heated so the bacteria is killed, and also the feathers are made loose. Then the feathers are removed. Then the internal cleaning is done of all the organs, which is your poultry waste. Then after that it goes on to the screw chiller where the bird is chilled so that it can be sold on the market. Either it can be sold on the same day, it can be stored in the cold storage for 3 to 5 days, and post that you can blast freeze it and then store it in cold storage. Then you have the dripper where all the water that is absorbed in the screw chiller, everything comes out, and then you get your dressed packed bird. So you can put in the bagging cones and then pack it and sell it in however you want, and you can export it also if you want in large containers. So we provide all the equipment for the entire process, and then whatever poultry waste that you get, that can go in the rendering plant where it's a batch where the waste is cooked, it is homogenized, it is sterilized, so that the waste material that you get at the end, the meat meal, can be pelletized and used in fisheries as a fish meal. It can be used as a poultry meal in the poultry feed farms, and also it can be used as a fertilizer because it has really good soil fertility content. It ranges actually from capacity, like we give equipment from 200 birds per day to 2000 birds per day, which is the mini dressing plant, and 2000 birds per day to 16,000 birds per day, which is the conveyorized plant. So depending on the capacities, it differs. So it'll start from a few lakhs to it can go up to 1 crore.